All right, so I have a couple of tips for your Wohlfahrt etude that's on the required list for Louisiana All-State this year. As you probably know already, there are a lot of arpeggios, there are string crossings, and some shifting. So I just wanted to give you some tips and maybe let you know what the judges might be listening for as far as evenness of tone and intonation, good intonation, and fluidity in the bow and bow distribution. Those are all very important things to pay attention to when you're playing this etude. And I have a couple of tricks that might help you. One of them with this to make smooth string crossings would be to actually do a double stop where you're crossing strings. So I'm going to show you. You see how I did the F to the A, played a double stop, and so I had a smooth transition from my C string to my G string. And then same here, B flat to E. You can play them together so that it's a smooth string crossing. So that you're prepared to go to the next string. That's one of the things that I like to do to make sure everything is nice and smooth. For shifting, you want to make sure that you're not squeezing too hard. Let's find a good shift. So when you shift down, you have to release the finger, travel, and set it back down. Just make sure that you're not squeezing, and make sure that your shift is in the timing of in the tempo of the actual etude. The other thing I wanted to discuss is bow distribution. As you're going through, you know you're going on all four bows or all four strings here. You want it to sound nice and smooth. So just make sure that you're staying relaxed and you have clean string crossings, and you want to make sure that you're checking your pitches also with open strings. So I'll find one. You can check that G with open G to make sure it's in tune. You can check that D to make sure it's in tune. You see how I adjusted? Open string, another open string. It's a nice and open key, so you can actually use your open strings as a reference to make sure that your hand is in the right place and that your pitch is right dead in the center of the pitch. So I think those are some helpful ideas, and I wish you the best of luck.